Welcome back, children. How are you all? So today we are going to do again a chapter of GK. GK means general knowledge, right? And today's topic is very interesting. And today we are going to know more about our body and our body parts. See this beautiful picture of the boy. So this is the picture of hair. Show me your hair. Now this is ear. Show me ear. Hand. Where are your fingers? How many fingers you have? We have 5 fingers in one hand. So total in 2 hands we have 10 fingers. Now in this picture we can see toes, thighs, then teeth, nose, eye. We have many parts. Even we have forehead. In this picture where two boy and girl is standing, see there is an arrow to the forehead. Then stomach, we all know. After eating the food goes over there. Then we have ankle. This is something new, right? Then shoulder, neck. Now let's see in details. Names of the fingers. Yes, we all have some names. Like we have a good name, we have different nicknames at our house. So in the same way we have some names of fingers. See, so the first finger is known as thumb, then index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. So let's read once more. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Mostly in ring fingers we wear ring. Now see the different parts of our hand. This is a picture of a hand and you can see some with arrows. Elbow, wrist, finger, and we have even nails on our fingers, and upper arm and forearm. Next, this is a part of our leg. This is called knee. If we see for both legs, we will say knees. We will add a S. Then this is a picture of a feet. This is a picture of a foot. If there are 2 foot, then we are going to say it feet. See, this is called toe. This is called toe. Then the end part of the foot we call it heel. See, the man is running. So the upper part of the leg is known as thigh. The upper part of the leg is known as thigh. What we do with hand and leg? First, we run, we skip, we jump, we stand, we do exercise and we do many things with our legs. When we go out, we wear shoes. When we are at home, we wear slippers. And even children, in some kind of dance forms, we use different kinds of shoes. Like for sports, we use sports shoes, and for ballet dance, we have a different kind of ballet shoes. So if we move on to the what we do with our hand, we do many things with our hand. We hold anything with the hand, we eat with the hand, then we push with the hand, we pull with the hand, then we open or shut anything with the hand. We even wash our hand before eating anything. We should wash our hand before eating anything. That is a good habit. And you should wash your hands with little bit of soap. Even we join our hands when we pray to God. Prayer is the most important and powerful thing which gives us the more energy and motivation to work. So, See this next picture. This is a picture of a eye. And you know children, eye, from this eye we can see this beautiful world around us. We see the beautiful world around us. Without eye we can't do anything. Wow. So this is the picture of nose. What is the work of nose? With nose we can smell beautiful things. Sometimes bad odor also come to our nose. Bad smell also we get. And with the help of nose, the main thing we do breathe in. Then we do breathe out. So always breathe in, breathe out. So this is the most important thing, because without breathing we cannot be alive. This is the beautiful mouth we have, where we have lips, teeth and tongue. These are the parts of mouth. So with lips gives us the beauty of the face. It's very soft. And then we eat with the teeth. We have different kinds of teeth. We have two kinds of teeth, milk teeth and then permanent teeth. When we are small and babies, we have milk teeth. Then we get the new teeth, that is called permanent teeth. So if we are eating chocolates, if we are eating sweet things, then we should always remember that we should wash our mouth and we should brush twice a day, so that the germs or the cavity will not attack our teeth and our teeth can be healthy. Then with the help of the tongue, we also eat food. Now this is finger, and as we have learnt about finger, this is called nails. Nails also gives beauty to the finger. Mama or grandma or girls generally wear different kinds of nail polish to beautify the nail. Now the most important thing is ear in the parts of body. With the help of the ear, we listen many things. We can hear the different kinds of sounds, what we are talking, whatever the sound, it helps us to listen the sounds all around us. Now look at this picture, this worksheet. What you have to do, you have to join the dots and then you are going to draw eyes, nose and mouth. At the end of the book there are some stickers which you can paste over here. If you don't have sticker, you can also color the picture. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Sugar on your bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Now children, you are thinking, why ma'am is singing the song? So today we are going to play some games with the alphabets. That's why ma'am has started singing this beautiful song or beautiful rhymes. So let's see this. Let us see the first game. Okay, this is a worksheet on where we can play a game, and you have to tell me what is the before and after of this alphabet. So first you can see a picture that inside a fruit B is written. So what comes before B? A. And what comes after B? C. So like that, in the next worksheet is U. So after V. And before is T. So in the next one, F. In the middle it is written between. So what comes before? F, E. And what comes after F? G. So I think this is a quite interesting worksheet. So let's see the next picture for the complete picture. Now this is also an interesting game. This is also the same here. What comes after? So A, B, then what comes? C. D, E, then what comes next? F. G, H, then I. J, K, then L. M, N, then O. P, Q, R. S, T, U, V, W, X. So quite interesting game. So now moving on to another one. Wow. This though you all know, match the alphabets with the object with the same starting alphabet. So here the alphabets are E, J, K, T, U, Z. And in this side, is there a picture of kite, elephant, zebra, tiger, jug and umbrella. So now how we are going to match? E for elephant, J for jug, then K for kite, then T for tiger, U for umbrella and Z for zebra. Now another interesting game. Circle the incorrect alphabet in the sequence. So A, B, C, then T. T is incorrect, so we have to circle. Then D, E, then K is wrong, then circle K. F, G, H, I, J, then T. T again wrong. K, L, M, N, O, P, then A. A is wrong. So Q, R, S, T, then N. Oh, N is wrong. So circle. U, V, W, X, Y. Where is Y? This is to Z. No, this is again wrong. Circle. Y, Z. Now the last game. Here you can see a lion. You know this lion has lost his home. So we need to find his way back to the den. So we have to color the alphabet in the sequencing order like A, B, C, D, E, F like that, and then the lion will reach to the den. Now this one is another worksheet where let us see what are the alphabets are there. A, B, C, D, E, F. And this side objects are ball, duck, aeroplane, fish, car and elephant. So we have to do the matching. A for aeroplane, B for ball, C for car, D for duck, E for elephant and F for fish. So this time I'm not going to showing you the picture. I think you understand. Let's move on to the next game. So this next game is very interesting. Before I have shown you worksheet where we have to add before alphabet and after alphabet. This time the middle part is missing. So we have to add the letters in the middle part. So let's see what are the pictures. C dash E. So what will be in the middle? D. Then O Q. In the middle P. Then next is Q S. So middle will be R. B D. So middle will be C. U W. So the middle will be V. K M. So the middle will be L. These are really very interesting games which I played with you. You also try to play this kind of game at your home. Now children, here is the worksheet where you can see a kite. So you have to write from A to H. You have to write from A to H. And then you have to fill it with different colors. So one has already been done. So complete the worksheet. Thank you.